Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about JWT package installation. So this video is very important for this third phase of API development. Please make sure that before running or execution of any command from this video, please watch this video very carefully. Back to editor. So first thing first, what is JWT? JWT stands for JSON Web Token. It is a type of token to transmit data in a very secured way from sender to receiver. Let's go to its official website. So I am inside jwt.io. If we talk about the structure of JWT token, so here we can see that this is a format of token which contains three segments. The first part we can see here before dot is all about header, which contains header informations like algorithm and type of JWT, means type of token. Next we have a dot here. After dot here we have the second value, second segment, which indicates all about payload information. It contains all about user data, our own stored data, as well as expiration and many other informations. Again here we have a dot, and after dot it contains third segment which stores signature. So this is all about a format of token which contains three segments: header, payload and signature. So whenever we use JWT inside our RESTful web APIs, we store user information or any other informations inside this second part, second segment called payload. Now let's see that how to install this JWT package inside this level 10th version. Back to editor. So before execution or installing JWT package, we need to follow some steps before doing that. I will go inside slide. So here we have multiple steps to install successful installation of JWT package. So in the very first step, we need to install JWT package using Composer. I will talk about each step inside the description of this video. So first I will copy this Composer command. Back to project terminal, and here I will type and press enter. As we can see, installation started. So in a while it will install JWT package inside our setup, and here we can see that package installed. So successfully, this is all about the execution of first step. Now let's see the second step. So here we need to add a provider. So we need to open app.php from config folder. Back to application, go inside config, open up app.php, and inside this file we need to search for providers, which is at the bottom of this file. So here we have providers. So inside this we need to add a single line of code. So I will copy, go here and paste it here. Now next we need to search for aliases. So in this we need to add three lines of code. So I will copy. You can see here add aliases app.php from config folder. So I will copy these three lines of code, go here and paste inside these aliases. So successfully, now we have done all about these three steps. Now in the next we need to publish a file called jwt.php. This file currently exists inside installed JWT authentication package, which is inside vendor folder. But we want the basic settings file of JWT inside our config folder. So we need to copy this file from our existing location to our config folder. So what I will do, I will copy this command. Back to project terminal. Let's clear first. I will paste here, press enter. Now we can see that this jwt.php file has been copied from this vendor path to our application. Let's go to application, go inside config folder. Now we will see one more file, that is jwt.php. This file contains all about the basic settings of JWT. Back to slide. Now next we need to execute php artisan migrate command. So let's copy, back to terminal. I will paste, press enter. So we can see that nothing to migrate. Obviously, because in the previous video we had done and executed all migrations. Back to slide. Now next we need to generate a JWT secret token. After generation, it updates .env file. So I will copy, and before execution, if I will open .env file, So in this file we can see we don't have any JWT token value. Let's go inside terminal and I will execute php artisan JWT:secret. Press enter, token generated. Back to application. Now inside this .env, inside bottom, we can see here we have the token value. Back to slide. Now next we need to update auth.php. This file we can find from config folder. And inside that file we need to go inside guards array. So let's open first. Go inside config folder, needs to open auth.php and we need to search for guards. Inside this guards, we need to add this array. This is all about this key value and inside this key, here we have the array value. Inside this array, driver equal to JWT, provider equals to users. So I will just copy, go here inside this guards and add this value. Back to slide. Now next we need to update user model. This model we can find inside app, inside models directory. So I will open user.php. So after open, what we have to do, we need to import first. So what I will do, I will copy this line of code, use diamond JWT auth contracts JWT subject. So I will copy this line, go here, before class declaration, paste it here. Now next, add with this class declaration. So I will copy implements JWT subject, go here and after authenticable, I will just paste it here, that is implements JWT subject. Remember, here we don't have any double quotes. So when we see this command, this is the line of code, means this code I have written inside this double quotes. But before copy, you need to remove that double quotes. Now next we need to add these methods. So I will copy these methods in user.php. I will paste those two methods at the bottom of this class. So here we have the first method as public function get JWT identifier and second get JWT custom claims. So once we add these two methods, now we'll see error has gone. So successfully, this is the last step of JWT installation. Let's go to slide here. So successfully we have followed from step 1 to step 8 all about the installation of JWT. And file 1, great. Now the available middleware equals to auth::API. It means whenever we create APIs using JWT, this is the middleware available to protect our protected methods. And this is the reference, this is the URL what we are following to install JWT inside our application. So finally, we had done all about the installation of JWT inside our application to create APIs. So in the next video, we'll see some more development concept. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.